Short video today, at least for this project. Got my hurricane hinge. Open that up. Then we've got to go meet Gannon at storage. And put the leaf enclosure on the pickup. So we're ready for leaves. Some assembly required. I'm assuming that goes like that. Ah. So it goes like that. Ta-da! That will work very well. I could even so it looks like we'll need to drill some holes in that section. But there's the hinge, we'll get that put on. I could do, everything is wired. The lights work. I did check all 4 of these. They do work. You can see the power lights come on there for my flashlight. So that's what we got so far. Look for my video on the redoing the door for the leaf loader, the leaf enclosure trailer. Got a better idea for that. Stay tuned. Watertight back here. So I'm going to need to drill a bunch of pilot holes through the back. So we can mount that. So that'll be the first step. So I got the holes drilled. Now we'll put some screws in. Go on to the next step. I put a bead of adhesive silicone caulking Gonna go under there too, help seal it. Don't want to forget that. Well, I got the hinge on. I had to cut my trim a little bit, get it quite, because of the weather stripping. I didn't allow for the height of the weather stripping on the back part. Live and learn. But there it is. It opens nice. Now all that's left to do is to put chains on the inside to keep it from blowing over, and maybe a prop rod to hold it up, and the hasp to lock it up. Well, we got the hasp on. Prop rod's in there. It's nothing fancy. That'll work. Still need to get some chain to keep it from going too far back, breaking the hinge. But that's my project. I do have another idea. I might put a little solar panel on the top to charge the battery. I have that in one of my trucks now. That truck's being decommissioned. We're not going to use it anymore. It's going down the road. So maybe that'll end up on here. Stay tuned for that.